In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add call buttons for mobile users in Wix. If you want visitors on phones to reach you in one tap, a call button is the simplest upgrade you can make. Let's start by opening your Wix editor. Log in, head to My Sites, and click Edit Site on the website you want to update. You'll be working right inside the editor you already use, so there's nothing new to install. Next, switch to the mobile view so we're designing specifically for phones. At the top of the editor, click the mobile icon that looks like a phone. This shows you a mobile-only layout, which means the changes you make here won't break your desktop design. Now add the button itself. Click Add Elements, choose Button, and drag a button onto your mobile layout. Place it somewhere that's effortless to tap, like the header area or near the bottom of the screen where thumbs naturally rest. A clear placement reduces friction and increases the odds that visitors will call. Let's make the button actually dial a number. Select the button, click Link, choose Phone Number, and enter your business or support line. Keep it professional and consistent with your public contact info. If you take international calls, include your country code so callers don't run into errors. By the way, if you need quick access to Wix, there's a link to the website right at the top of the description. Update the label so it's obvious what happens when someone taps. Short, action-first text works best. Call now, tap to call, or contact us. Keep it concise so it's readable on small screens. Take a moment to optimize size and placement. Make the button large enough for easy tapping, with good color contrast against your background. Avoid placing it too close to other clickable elements. And leave generous spacing so users won't mistap. Prominent placement near the top or bottom of the page is usually ideal. If you prefer this button only on mobile, hide it on desktop. Switch back to the desktop view. Select the same button and choose the option to hide it from the desktop layout. This keeps your desktop design clean while still giving mobile users quick access. Finally, preview and publish. Use the mobile preview to test the button, and if possible, check it on an actual phone to confirm it opens the dialer correctly. When everything looks good, click Publish to push the change live. If this guide helped you improve your mobile experience, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching.